My brother made me some food. Ooh! Brother put cereal on this. Oh my gosh. And the sauce my brother's girlfriend made, honey sriracha sauce. Cheers. Mmm.
Right? It's like different.
That's bomb. Mmm.
Alright, that's the time we couldn't find barbecue.
Mmm.
The different ones. No?
Mm-hmm.
I'm starving.
Let's see.
Oh crap, I need a fork.
Okay.
Oh fuck.
Mmm.
I'm gonna eat, man.
Munch up.